We did get a chance to talk to the chief operating officer of the water department, and he was very candid with us. He says they are doing everything they can, but there are a lot of issues here at play. Take a look.
You know, and this water running like this, what you gonna do?
It's been more than a week since water started leaking from a 6-inch underground pipe at the corner of Rosa Parks and Highland in Detroit.
Well, obviously, it's a leak. Nobody wants to see a leak running near their house. I wouldn't want to see it near mine either.
They was here 2 days ago, and why they couldn't fix it? They were here 2 days ago. They did come out. I'm not gonna lie on them. They were here 2 days ago. And I said, oh, well, maybe they gonna get this water up, They did not.
The Detroit Water and Sewage Department says this utility pole so close to the water main is prompting delays. DTE crews will have to use special equipment to hold the pole in place while water department crews fix the pipe. That pipe dating back to 1916. People who live in the area and shop at the corner store just hope the repairs are done sooner than later.
It'll cause a major accident because people will stop in their tracks and try to back up. Now see, watch this guy. Now see, he's going right on through.
We have been salting the area at night to ensure that the ice remains under control.
The city citing the holidays and COVID as reasons for the delays in fixing the water main.
Apologies to our customers for the impacts. We're doing the best that we can, and we're trying to get additional resources so that we can get this done quicker.
If people gonna come to this store to buy groceries and to buy different things that they need to have this cleared away as soon as possible.
So the good news is that water bills will not be going up for any Detroit residents. They're just wondering of seeing that water flow over and over again. They were worried that those bills would be going up. Simply not the case. Also, I am told from the water department that actually no one has lost water at all, but some people may be dealing with lower water pressure. Of course, fingers crossed they get this done sooner than later. Reporting live from downtown, Camille Amiri on The Edge.